Hey guys, Travis here with Savy and Sons. We're at a Connecticut wastewater treatment facility. We're working down here in the chlorine contact chamber. We have some deteriorating concrete and infrastructure. We started with the infrastructure concrete repairs, jackhammering and power washing off all the deteriorating concrete. We made all the concrete repairs using a Epoxy Ceramico. That's an epoxy modified mortar product. After all the concrete repairs were made, we then prepped the entire surface, primed it, and are applying a 100% solids epoxy fiber reinforced polymer structural grade lining system, Epoxy CPP spray liner, to the entire surface at 125 mils thick. That's a Savy and Sons 10-year warranty on this project. Trouble-free they'll have after this for years to come.